Hey, my name is Mitch with RV Wholesalers. Today we're looking at a 2025 Cherokee Gray Wolf. What is Gray Wolf? Gray Wolf is one of the number one selling travel trailers in the United States. Cherokee's brand or line in general is the number one selling travel trailer in the United States. Why are they? A, give you a ton of features for a very cost efficient price, right? You've got a ton of different models, lines that can carry, from the smallest thing up to the biggest, park model, from toy haulers to travel trailers. So they got a large variety of different models that to fit all the customers' needs. Forest River is the manufacturer. Forest River, in my opinion, is one of the best manufacturers in the RV industry. So you're going to get a good quality product, but also a manufacturer and a dealer with us that does stand behind you as far as getting you taken care of if you do have any type of issues or warranty claims or service after the sale as well.